Frequently asked questions about John Deere Tractor Repair San Diego 1. What is the most common problem with John Deere tractors? Answer: the most typical problems consist of newer John Deere tractors, trouble with the potentiometers. Both reverse and forward can go out, or one or the other can fail. A sensor in the transmission MFWD sensing unit can burn out, frequently requires replacement. In smaller tractors, like your 1000 series well as 2000 series, the rod shaft control valve, which controls the hydraulic liquid to and from the 3-point control arms, typically goes out. This creates a problem with the loader. 2. Are you allowed to fix a John Deere tractor? Answer: usually yes, but sometimes no. Let me explain. The smaller John Deere tractors, if not under warranty, you can repair on your own, or have someone repair it for you. The really big combines, you really can't repair without John Deere authorized facilities. Also, leased tractors really need to go through John Deere authorized repair facilities. 3. What kinds of John Deere Tractor Repair San Diego do you typically do? Answer: we commonly do basic services, including replacing filters, air, fuel, hydraulic oil, lube jobs, lubrication of all zerq fittings. We also find ourselves fixing a lot of potentiometers. This is because a lot of people are having issues with going forward and reverse. Often it is because the potentiometer is either out of range or broken altogether. This is indicated by blinking lights, example, fast dot, slow dot, slow dot. This means it's the reverse potentiometer. We also see a lot of electrical issues. For example, wiring harnesses often are broken. This is usually because rats or other rodents have chewed into the wiring. We also see hydraulic hoses and cylinder leaks, bucket won't stay up or curled. Have you had other problems with your John Deere tractor? Comment below, or reach out to us tractorrepairsandiego.com. We specialize in John Deere and other tractors.